Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we're going to show you how to change the language on an iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is a 13 Pro Max, also works on a Pro and a regular iPhone 13. So this is really useful if you get the phone in a language you don't understand and you need to change it back into something you do understand, like English, for example. So go to the settings menu, there's the gear here, and you want to go down to General and then go down to Language and Region. And so now you can see iPhone languages up here at the top. Click on that and you can pick your language. So in this case, let's switch it to traditional Chinese. So change it to traditional Chinese and it takes a second. Actually doesn't need to reboot, it just switches. Okay, so now let's go back up and let's actually just kill this. So let's say you just bought this on eBay, it came in the mail, you put it up and it's in Chinese. What are you going to do? Well, first of all, look for the gear, in this case down here on the bottom right, and now you got to find General, which is this one. And now this is a little bit trickier because now there's no little icons. So you want to go to this one, which is, I think VPN will show up as VPN everywhere, so it's basically 2 up from VPN. So it's also the first section, second section, third section. In the fourth section, second from the bottom. Click on that one, and then this case that says iPhone language. I can actually read Chinese, but anyway, so click on that guy and now you see all the choices. In this case, I guess, at least for, yeah, it writes it in the language as well as the Chinese name for the language in this case. So that's Korean, in Korean and in Chinese. So yeah, just pick English or whatever you want and then confirm. So this case, you've got to be able to read Chinese to know what that says. And here we go. Now we're back in English. The other thing you can do is you can set your language order. So I think this has to do with like certain apps only have certain languages. So if it doesn't have English, what do you want to show up next or third or fourth or fifth or whatever? So yeah, it's kind of an edge case if you're multilingual. The other thing while we're here is this is where you set the keyboards. So if you're doing multiple languages there, you want to be able to add keyboards. Go up here and you can not only set them, but then add additional ones. You can remove them and you can change the order. So in this case, because this is a Hong Kong phone, it includes traditional Chinese built in. You can always add tons of other ones, and there's actually multiple input methods for most languages too. Okay, so that's it for today. If you guys have any questions on how to change a language on an iPhone 13 Pro Max or any other phones, do let me know in the comment section below. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a hot off the presses iPhone 13 Pro Max dual physical SIM Hong Kong version. And today I'm going to show you how to insert and